How how extreme does the give and take need to be? Like, does it have to be money? Does it have to be something to do with money? How big or small does that change need to be?
I guess it'll probably depend on the
Mm-hmm.
situation and on the court if you ever got to that point.
Mm-hmm.
But you want to make it meaningful, right? So it shouldn't just be I don't know. Like I think there's often this convention that people just exchange a dollar or like
Mm.
say that I've given a dollar for this exchange. Just
Like in Breaking Bad, where Saul's like, "Here, quick, put a dollar in my pocket."
yeah, yeah. So like that's not really a thing.
Mm-hmm.
That's not like an enforceable exchange. So it should be if you're trying to make the contract enforceable, or in this case the amendment enforceable. It should be something that is of value and
Mm-hmm.
that's sort of commensurate with the change that's being made.
Okay.
Um, Yeah. That said, I would say that if it's so this is all from like a very protective legal standpoint.
Mm-hmm.
If you really want to make sure that this amendment is enforceable later, and so it would be very important for like a big change that might be litigated later.
Mm-hmm.
The smaller and more, I guess, insignificant the change, the less this is an issue, I
Mm-hmm.
would say. So like really, you have to kind of do a calculation at the time, like how worried am I about my relationship with this vendor and about this change? And if it's like a very minor change, you probably don't need to like tie yourself into knots thinking about this issue of consideration. You can just go through with the change. But for any change that you think might be litigated later, you want to make sure that it's enforceable.
Mm-hmm.